So you're a manufacturer and you're looking to machine large turn parts or shaft work. Where do you go? There are several options in the market, one of which is the Hwacheon turning centre. This machine behind me is a Hwacheon 850L YMC. It's a multitasking machine, but it's primarily for very large turned shaft work. Let's go and have a look at this machine. Hwacheon have their own foundry. So to start with the build of the machine, this casting is manufactured by Hwacheon. So it's a one-piece casting, it's not a modular set of castings that are put together to form a bigger machine. It's a one-piece casting done at the Hwacheon foundry. It's a box guideway machine. The turret on this machine is one of the features that we really need to explore in more detail. With this type of machine, you're going to be looking at doing turning on long shaft work or maybe boring. Where is this turret different? The main thing is it's double in width. Now, with it being double in width means you can actually get two tool holders back to back on this machine, which will support your boring bar. In practice, what does that give you? Well, when you're turning or when you're boring, it gives you much more rigidity, for one, much more stability, which in turn gives you far more accuracy and better surface finishes on your part. Not only that, it will enable you to take deeper cuts. Therefore, you can reduce cycle times, so the benefits go on. In addition to that, with this turret, there is, at the back of the machine, there is a pocket. Now, that pocket actually enables you to house a boring bar when you're maybe doing turning work at the chuck. It means that you can actually get a boring bar that is 1 metre in length in this turret, and there aren't many machines that you can do that with. The most popular control that you can have on a turning centre is a FANUC control. This machine has a FANUC OI control. It's got manual guide on it, and the manual guide basically means that it gives you that conversational element. So you may be a G-code programmer, but with the manual guide system here, that gives you a lot more flexibility on the machine. A final point to note as well, when we talk about the capacity, is also the weight of this machine. It's over 23 tonnes. So that, collectively with the other features we've mentioned, gives you a very, very rigid, heavy-duty CNC lathe stroke turning centre. So you know your components, you know what you're looking to machine. You need to know the capacity. Well, this 850 machine here actually has a 920mm cutting diameter. It has 3.5 metres in capable turning length, and it's got a bar diameter of 164mm. So if you're looking to maybe bury a component down the bore, you can do, or you can house up to 164mm. So that's capacity. Once you've established that it's the right size for you, will it do the job? Well, we have to look at power. If we look at the spindle on this machine, you're then looking at 45 kilowatts of power. So that's 60 horsepower. It's got an A215 spindle nose. And if you're looking at driven tools, which this machine has, you're looking at 11 kilowatts in power on driven tools. Again, which collectively, with the stability of the machine, gives you the surface finish, gives you the precision component that you're looking to manufacture. So this machine has a y-axis, plus or minus 110mm, so that's 220mm in total on the y-axis, which gives you a lot of scope for milling, off-centre milling and so forth. If you wanted this machine, you can have it as a multitasking machine, as it is here, with a C-axis and a y-axis, or you could opt for maybe a straight turning two-axis machine. So there are some other options you can have with the machine. You'll see here we've got a fixed steady. If you are turning larger shaft work, you're going to need a steady to support it. And that is actually connected to the box guideway base of the machine. As well as a steady, we've got a fully programmable tailstock. So that can be programmed within your program or within your cycle in order to secure a part. Now, unbelievably, these machines are held here at Ward High Tech and they're available ex-stock. There aren't many places you can find or many companies you can go to in the UK where you can actually get one of these machines delivered pretty much straight away. In addition to that, the Hwacheon machines are very, very competitively priced. So you can see this machine on mtdcnc.com, or you can visit Ward High Tech direct.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.